SBET stock analysis and SBET stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything. Sharplink Gaming, it's, you know, already $9.99. 16% correction is kind of, I think, like final nail in the coffin. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, beforehand I was here buying the crap out of it, and this is nice. Look at this.
Stock analysis.
And this is just 2 weeks back, you know, it was like $30, 30 cents, looking to take it to list 52. Not only did I deliver, we took this thing, I mean, it went up to like 123. And then since then it's been over, you know, it's over, like the plane is crashing, you know. I don't think it's like over, but like unless there's a big catalyst or some crazy breaks up, this is still just a decent bearish market for me. Obviously not financial advice. If you do want to learn how making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and insights. So goodbye and enjoy. There's really nothing else that I would be adding here. See ya.